welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another Halloween look, as you guys have probably already seen. I'm super nervous, guys. I just uploaded my first Halloween look. I'm just not an expert and I'm always really hard on myself, but I hope you guys enjoyed that as well. But let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in. I'm probably going to prime first and then I'll be zoomed in and ready to go. As you guys saw, it's a super easy look, so I want to try to keep it as simple for you guys as possible. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay guys, and for this eye makeup look, I'm just going to try to stick to the James Charles palette. If I use anything else, I will let you know. But I'm just going to be sticking to the purple shades here. So now I'm going to take a smaller blending brush. It's a little bit more packed. And I'm going to go into the darker purple, which first I went in with the color Single, and then now I'm going in with the color Escape. And I don't know if I said it in my last video, but I wanted to keep these looks, I guess, do them pretty simply. Use simple products is probably the better way to say it. Just because I know that you guys worry about your children and everything else. And so this is just like, you know, use the makeup you have at home kind of thing, because it gets expensive. So you just basically want to take any primer and like a small detailer brush and just go in like this. If you want to cut the crease, again, you could totally do this with a smoky look. Okay guys, so I'm going to use a couple different glitters. I'm going to mix in this turquoise and purple and some of this chunky glitter. Now, these are cosmetic grade, but I don't remember if you can put these on your eyes. So please be careful. Do these things at your own risk. I'm just saying. So we just put in like 2 scoops of that chunky glitter, and then we're going to do a scoop of the blue, and then I kind of want this to be like a mermaid skull-ish color vibe. So if you see here, oop, I'm about to drop it. It's like beautiful blue, purpley gorgeousness. I want to go in with like a lavender. Okay, we're going to take that first purple shade, which was the shade Single, and we're going to put it on a fluffy brush, and we're going to just lightly tap. I just don't want it to be like super starky white. Now, since this is loose glitter, we're going to go in with glitter glue. This one is by NYX. It is NYX Glitter Primer. And all I'm going to do is take another detailer brush, come right in. For this, I'm going to kind of work more in sections, just because I don't want that primer to dry. And it looks white, but it dries clear. So then, just going into our glitter mix and applying it here. And I'm going to take my finger and push it in. I just want to make sure it's not going to fall on my eye. I like to try to keep my eye kind of closed, just so it starts drying a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, but just so you get a good idea, I'm going to zoom you in and you can see exactly what it's looking like. So if you see, okay guys, so I'm just going to go in and I'm going to clean up the glitter and everything else. Now I'm just going to clean up a little bit around the edge here. Like, I want it to be blended purple. I'm even tempted to like blow it out more. I just don't want it to, I want it to be like evenly dispersed is basically what I'm saying. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean that up and then I'll be right back to do the face. So going on to the face, primer. And of course, if you're wearing this out to like a party or something like that, you just want to make sure that you're choosing the right primer so it lasts all night. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Step 1 as well for my nose. So we're going to go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect. Again, use whatever foundation you use normally. I'm just taking it on a sponge. Then go in with your favorite concealer. I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hues. I'm going to also go in with the Jeffree Star Magic Star just to help brighten up some of the areas on my face. And then go ahead and set that. I'm just using my Airspun translucent powder. I mean, I usually tend to leave my blush on light anyway. So now for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Airspun Pink Highlight. It's more like a pinkish purple. You guys will see once it's like diffused on the skin. So I'm just going to dip into that. Now, the highlight to me is something that you can exaggerate a little bit more because it kind of like, you know, goes into your cheekbones, but you do as much or as little as you'd like. You guys, these highlights are only, I think they're under $6. I can't remember. So I just kind of want that like, and I want to make sure that I'm bringing it up here. I mean, I normally do, but especially for the look. So then I'm going to go in and just set my face. I'm going to go ahead and set it now. I'm going to go in. You guys, I've actually really been liking the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid one. I don't want to spray too much on my eyes. The smell is incredible. Mis pelitos. And then going into the brows, I kind of want it to be a little darker. So I'm gonna go in with just my mascara. I just want them to be just like a little bit more on the dark side. They're not that dark, but so now moving on to the bottom lash line, I'm just going to go into the two blues. They are Brother and Artistry. I'm just going to dip into both of those. And like a smidge of the green, which is Suicidal Blade. Okay guys, so now that we have that all done, I'm going to go in and do the jaw. And I'm just going to go in with the light lavender purple, and then, which was the color Single, and then this like little definer brush. I'm just going to try to load it on there a little bit, and I'm going to kind of go in slowly and carefully. And this is going to be super simple, but if you have more of like a defined jaw thing you want to do, then do it. I'm going to do mine, I don't know, pretty high up. I just wanted to meet up at the mouth. So let's get... just like that. If you wanted to do more curves in there, whatever, go ahead. Again, I'm trying to keep this one pretty simple. I mean, in all reality, you guys don't even have to do this much for the eye look. So just trying to do it at about the same height on the other side. So once you have your little outline, you want to start diffusing it down. Oh, I didn't know where these brushes. So I'm going to go in there with a small brush. If you're more, we'll see right now how it's going. If I feel good, I'll go in with a bigger brush so it goes faster. But for now, loading that same color up. So now all I'm going to do is take a big fluffy brush and start blending that down. You want to make sure you don't blend too close to the line because you want to leave that nice and sharp. So you can diffuse that down as low as you'd like. Personally, I think I'm going to take it lower towards the ear, and then I'll let that kind of fade down. Okay guys, so now that you have that done, again, you can blend that completely out. You don't have to darken it, it's totally up to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the light color and a pencil brush, the light purple color, and then I'm just going to do, I don't know, a little nose. Okay guys, so once you have your nose done, we're going to move on to the teeth. And for the teeth, I'm not even sure what I'm going to go in with. I kind of want to go with liquid liner. Let's hope it lasts. Okay guys, so now moving on to the teeth. The teeth, again, you can keep purple, you can do black, you can do whatever. I think I'm going to do black. I feel like I'm going to do black. That way you can tell where the teeth are. And it's just simple, you guys. So I'm just going to come right here. So I'm just going to come right here and... Oh, sorry. So we're just going to... just like that. You know what? Before we go on to the teeth, I'm just going to put a little bit of, maybe line my lips here. Just like that. Just so it's like all one color. That's it, really. You don't need anything on your lips, honestly. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I covered the black with purple. I think it looks a little more with the look, but yeah. Okay, so I just want to like tone this up a little bit more. So I'm going to actually go in with crystals. These are, I believe these ones are a size 9. So I'm going to use the size 9 and then like a couple of the big ones from the other ones. And just to help those stick, I'm actually going to go in with my glitter primer. And here. Just like that. And then I'm going to go in with bigger ones. And going on to the next. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through it because my dogs are barking. You heard. I'm just going to fast forward it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished that up. Also, I went ahead and applied mascara. I'm going to zoom you in closer so you can see more of the detailing. I just want you to notice my lashes. I just kind of went in with the mascara like 2-3 times per lash, and that's it. I really wanted the main focus to be that glitter, the winged outness. I didn't want like black, but if you do, add your lashes, add more mascara, whatever it is that you want to do. Okay, so I'm going to zoom you in so you can see the detail. Okay guys, so this is what I'm looking like. If you can tell what I mean about the lashes, like they're nice and wispy, but I just didn't want like a dark lash line. I don't know, I really love the glitter. I really wanted that to be the main focus, but again, do whatever it is that you like. But yeah guys, so that is the completed look. A quick tip, I have these rhinestones because I do nails, but if you're having a hard time looking for rhinestones, or maybe they're just expensive, or maybe you just don't want to waste on rhinestones, if you have like chunky glitter, you can also just glue little chunky glitters. Like, you don't need the rhinestones. You can still make this cute using glitter, doing different things. If this is just a base for you guys to do, I don't know, whatever you want to do. But if you guys do recreate this look or something similar, tag me. I always link my Instagram down below. If you want to come join us there, you're more than welcome to. But yeah guys, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe before you head out. Ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. They might just need like a quick little Halloween situation. You never know. I'm just saying. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Adios!